Welcome to Sophic TV. We're chatting with Sean Bond with Elbit Systems of America. Sean, most viewers are likely familiar with your most famous product, the F-35 helmet-mounted display system. You make similar helmet-mounted displays for the SOF community as well. Can you talk about those products?
What we're doing today for Special Operation Forces is looking to go ahead and hyper-enable air crews and operators through integrated and federated complementary systems to aid them in rapid decision-making. And so what you'll find along those lines will be our helmet display and tracker system. This is something that provides heads-up displays with targeting cues, with continuously computed impact points that can be used day or night, and including degraded visual environments. So what does that do? It enables an aviator or an operator to always be flying heads up and eyes out.
So beyond helmet-mounted displays, what other products are you developing or delivering to support the SOF community?
A lot of our focus right now is looking at networking and processing capabilities for Army Special Operations aircraft. So we're looking at small footprint, lightweight processors to enable a paradigm of avionics processing, a paradigm shift. We're looking at distributed networks of small line replaceable units rather than one or two large processors. This approach, this architecture enables robustness and tolerance to both faults and battle damage. You get better weight and power balance management and really simplified integration of these capabilities on these Army aircraft.
What trends are you seeing and hearing about from your SOF customers, and what is your company doing to meet their needs?
We want that agile, sort of small business mindset combined with big business capabilities. And the really cool thing about being part of Elbit America is we have both. We have that small business mindset, the ability to move fast, be agile, with the technology and expertise that you typically only find in big companies. So.
Sean, thank you so much for joining us. To learn more, head over to elbitsystems-usa.com.